last video. In today's video of our distance tracking application, I will show you how to do marker clustering as well as how to show a heat map. So continuing on with our last video, so if you haven't set up already, so you will have to include these two libraries and also add your Google Map API key to your Android manifest. And here you can see that I have added I won't go through this again, but I have added this bit of code, then this bit of code over here, and this is for on map ready, and this is what we did in the last video. And over here I have just added life cycles to our map view as well. So first is a marker clustering. So for that, what you will have to do is you will have to use this cluster manager, and here I have created my own class called my item, and here you can define the position, title as well as the snippet. And here I am extending from cluster item, then I am overriding get position, get title and get snippet sorry, as well as the get z index, and I am just passing the position, title and snippet which we get from the constructor. Then if you see over here, I am defining our cluster manager. Then here you will have to define a list of lat longs as well, and depending on how many lat longs you define, you will have to define a title list. So here I have 3 lat longs, so 3 title list and 3 snippet list as well. And here if you see inside, once the map is ready, I am initializing our cluster manager. Then I am adding a set on camera idle listener as well as set on marker click listener, and I am calling add markers. And if you see the add markers thing, all we are doing is that we are getting the location list, and then we are calling the zip method for title list, same for snippet list as well, and doing a for loop, each loop on it. And depending on once the item is selected, we need to pass the whatever has been defined, the position, the title as well as the snippet. So that's what I'm passing over here and adding it to our cluster manager. Now if you see my output, I'm not sure how good it will be, but here you can see I'm able to see multiple markers, and if I try to click on any of one of it, it is able to show the title as well as the snippet. So yeah, that's it for cluster marker clustering. And for heat map, all I have done is that I have created a method called heat map, and again you require this location list, and I have added one like list of colors. So depending on how many colors you add, you will have to add this start point as well. So if there are 3 colors, then you will have to define something like 0.2f, then 0.5f and up to 1f. okay, then here I have defined a gradient depending on which takes a color array as well as our start points. And then here we are creating a heat map tile provider dot builder, and dot data we pass the location list, and we have created a radius which is of 50, and we are also applying the gradient as well as the opacity, and then calling the build method. And then we call the mmap dot add tile overlay options dot tile provider, and we pass the heat map provider over here. Now if I try to run it, so it's taking a bit to load. So but here you can see the heat map which I have generated. Yeah, my connection is little slow, that's why the map is taking some time to load. So here you can see these are our multiple points, and heat map is generated for each and every one of them. So here is our heat map. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.